Not all products deserve the same attention. Sometimes you want to push a new launch, sometimes a seasonal collection, and sometimes your high margin ranges. That's where product tag points come in. From your Flits dashboard, go to Setup Loyalty Program and open Earning Rules. Now click on Add Ways to Earn and choose Specific Product Purchase. Product tag rule allows you to reward customers when they purchase items that have a specific product tag. You can assign either a fixed number of points or percentage of the purchase value as points. If a product carries a specific tag and you have created a rule for that tag, customers automatically earn points when they buy it. For example, supposing you are launching a new t-shirt collection and you've tagged all the t-shirts in the range with the tag t-shirt, you can reward customers with 100 points every time they purchase the t-shirt from that collection. Or say you want to give 50% of the cart value as points for product tagged watches. Now add the product tags. You can add multiple rules and add up to 5 tags per rule. Simply type the tag that you want to add, for example, t-shirt, and press enter. And that's it. Now what this does is it will provide a point fixed value to whoever chooses a product under the t-shirt tag. Any product that contains these tags will automatically qualify for the reward. You can choose fixed or percentage points. Add a clear comment to describe your rule, for example, points on purchasing specific products. This helps you manage rules easily later, and then save the rule. You can also enable notifications via mail push notifications so customers are automatically informed when they earn points. Make sure you set up mail and push notifications from our notification section. This increases engagement and reinforces the reward experience. Everything is set, mark the rule as active and click on save and your rules are saved. Remember, you can add up to 5 tags per rule. Rules only work when active. You can delete rules anytime if they are no longer needed. Use product tag points to boost new launches, push seasonal collections, move slow inventory, or promote high margin products. On the storefront, your customer can find these points on 3 bases: the rewards widget, their personal customer accounts page, and the loyalty page. In the rewards widget, they can find it under ways to earn, and there you go. Customers can order by clicking on order, and they will find the products which are tagged under these tags. Second, they can find it on loyalty page under how to earn section or the specific product collection rule. Customers can also view the product tag rules under the personal customer account page in the site panel in how to earn section. Right here, the specific product collection tag rules that we just said.